two factions from Salmon Planet started fighting, Ultralight and Ultra Dark. Then one day, my papa and uncle betrayed Ultralight. They destroyed my home. I trained with my mom for revenge.